Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make country in Infinite Craft. First of all guys, we have to start with Earth. Just drag wind over it to create dust, and now just drag Earth over dust to create planet. Now use guys dust and wind both together to make sandstorm, and just combine both planet and sandstorm to make Mars. And once you have Mars, just combine Earth with Mars to create life. And once we have life, just combine dust with life to make human. Once we have human, now it's very easy. What you have to do guys, just combine two human together to make family, combine family to with family to make village, combine two village to make town, and now combine two town to make city. Now if we trying to just use two city to make country, it won't work. Let me try, let me show you. It won't work. What do we have to do? We have to make continent to make country. So first of all, we have to start with fire. Use fire. On fire will create volcano. Now we have to use water. Water on water will create lake, and just combine water with lake to make ocean. Now once we have ocean, just combine ocean with volcano to make Iceland. Combine Iceland with Iceland to make continent. Once we have continent, we are very close. Just combine city with continent to make country. That's how you can make country in Infinite Craft. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.